Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Caitlin. Please leave me a comment down below introducing yourself. If you are a previous viewer, welcome back. Hi. Also take a second to like, subscribe this video if you enjoyed it. It really helps me out a lot. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick kind of going through cleaning and decorating for fall this year. As I was going through and doing my DIYs and displaying them around my home, I was finding that my home was a little dusty and I maybe need to vacuum a little bit. So I went through, did a nice clean, just so you will see some of the decor out and about during the video. And then going through just kind of cleaning as I'm decorating a little bit at the same time. So please enjoy, and without further ado, here we go. Now for me, whenever I start to clean any parts of my house, I always like to start with my bedroom first, just because it is smaller and it doesn't take me that much time. I would say probably max 15-20 minutes it takes me just to go through, make the bed, clean up around the areas, put clothes away, pick up any garbage, put shoes away, and that's for the most part what I do in this space. So in this next part, you can actually see that is a DIY fail, that wreath that I just shoved into the garbage bag. It was something that I really loved. I saw it on Pinterest. It's where they took a wreath and they just glued like probably thousands of candy corn onto it. I did try doing it. It took a very long time and I didn't even finish the entire thing. And by the end of it, it just was not looking good. And I was like, all right, done with it. In the garbage it goes. Now, when it comes to my living room, this space always takes me the longest. This is kind of the gathering area for my husband and I. We watch TV in here. He works on our desk in here. I do a lot of my crafts and DIYs in here. So this is definitely the place where we hang out the most. And I did start a little Goodwill box over there on the coffee table just to kind of get rid of some stuff, because Lord knows, over time we just start to collect things that we don't need or things that we got and ended up not needing. So I did start a little Goodwill box just to kind of eliminate some of the excess in the space. So I did want to show you guys a little more in detail of the space that we live in. So that is some garland that I got from Home Goods the other day. It was a little shorter than what I wanted, so I just went through and added a little bit of jute twine on the ends just to make it a little longer. That is my harvest pillow I got from Hobby Lobby for $8. It was originally $12, but I got it for $8. That is another DIY that I'm going to be doing in a separate video, so stay tuned for that, coming soon. More DIYs that I did with some Dollar Tree decor. And that that candle is absolutely amazing. It's that harvest apple from Home Goods. I can't even explain that right now. The amount of candy corn that I have in my home is ridiculous. I love it because my husband hates candy corn and I love it so much, so it makes me happy. More DIYs that I did in a previous video. That 4-candle tier, it does light up. Also got that from Home Goods for $25 just the other day. I went on a little bit of a shopping spree for my fall decor this year. Here's our desk area. That sign, that gather here with grateful hearts, I actually keep that around year long just because I love it so much. More candy corn. I know, you guys, it's pretty sad. Like, don't judge. And then the pumpkin right up here, I actually got from Goodwill for $4. All I did was take a Lysol wipe, clean it up a little bit, and it's Hallmark. And the tag had originally said $25 on it, or $25, so I got it for $4. More fall decor signs. Upcoming videos. Stay tuned, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe so I can see you in the next one. Bye, you guys.